Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed Season 4 of Microwave Me. As old Captain Microwave needs a break from microwaving. Don't worry, there will be a Season 5, and a Season 6, and a Season 7. That's as far as I have planned, but enjoy the Season 4 clip show. Set to Pomp and Circumstance, the public domain version. Once again, this version is in the public domain and is permitted to be used for commercial purposes. Regardless, I still will not monetize this video. Ahoy mateys, and welcome to Season 4 of Microwave. This season's going to be filled with a lot of excitement, a lot of new changes, namely this camera, a lot of more exciting items, and what you saw at the end of Season 3, that was just a small taste of what's to come. You remember the water balloon I did late in Season 3? Well, now I'm doing the milk balloon. It took 20 minutes just to get a couple small pops for the thermometer to break. Would I recommend microwaving the easy button? Yeah, it's a useless piece of shitty Staples merchandise.
That was easy.
I'm gonna microwave you, and you're gonna be shutting up. Top of the morning to ya. Captain Microwave is going to be microwaving for St. Patrick's Day a bottle of beer for your viewing pleasure. As you know, humans are the only species in the animal kingdom which actually tries to remove its own natural-grown body hair with strange products such as this. Well, that's our clip show. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you sometime in the future. Don't worry, I won't be going away for long. I will be back, most likely, for July 4th when I do some really cool shit. So stay tuned.